My motherhood journey began way before 2024. And it was actually a kind of mixed set of experiences that I had with few of the high experienced doctors, as in they had more than 40 years of experience. But fortunately, by God's grace, I don't know how, but I came across Dr. Swati Rai's Instagram profile, and I actually made a very wise decision of actually meeting her and going ahead with her on the day I found out that my blood test was positive. And since then, she has been nothing but truly a guiding support in my entire motherhood journey. And she had always been there, even in cases of e- the slightest of confusion that I had, or whatever mentoring I required, she was always there. So as far as my experience is concerned, without a second doubt, any person who does wants to go through this motherhood journey, which is already filled with a lot of notions and old wives tales, I would suggest that they should go with Dr. Swati Rai, and they should actually consider her as their guiding support, who would be actually they'd be very glad with all the set of information, required information rather I should say, that is needed throughout this journey. And fortunately, I also got the experience of getting admitted into motherhood, since she was obviously working with them. So I got admitted twice in this 9 month duration in motherhood. One was in April, and other was right now, obviously, when my baby was born. So I would just like to say that the service is commendable when it comes to taking or owning any sort of responsibility. And I would really want to suggest that going forward, in case if I ever had to come for my pediatric needs or any other gynec needs, I would definitely would opt for motherhood hospital. And yeah.
Yeah, the same. I think no more additions. Yeah, the only thing is that like since I have been always going with along with her to meet Dr. Swati Rai. So what I liked about her that she's very quick in taking the right decision at the right time. So although during this journey there were few of the complications which we came across, which I heard from like few of my previous friends also, like for their example, so their doctor wasn't able to treat these things very or the handle these things very swiftly. But Dr. Swati Rai is really commendable in this thing that she always knows that when what is the right time and when what action she take at the right time, and she definitely advised us and everywhere. So I think it was a really nice experience with her. I would always recommend her. And same goes for the motherhood as well. Motherhood, I really like the service. The staff is really cooperative, and yeah, the best thing also one more thing. I mean, which I should not forget is the food. So the food quality and the food taste is really nice. Whether it is for the patient or for the attendants, it's really nice. So I would just think I will always recommend everyone. Thank you.